In this module, we are understanding how to approach the analysis of a spectrum by using infrared spectroscopy. The bands in an infrared spectrum are classified by intensity: strong, medium, weak, and variable. The position of all bands is given in cm inverse. IR spectroscopy provides a fast and effective way to identify functional groups present in a molecule by looking to absorption, that is bands corresponding to the bond type present in these functional groups. It is important to remember that the absorption frequency of a given bond type can vary somewhat depending on the structure. For example, a C double bond O, that is carbonyl group, will give stretching near 1700 cm inverse, and in the case of an acyclic saturated ketone, the frequency of absorption is close to 1715 cm inverse. It is also possible to identify structural features in a molecule which tend to strengthen or weaken a bond and therefore lead to shift the infrared absorption frequencies. For a quick overall assessment of the spectrum for the detection of functional groups, consider the characteristic regions for different functional groups. 3800 to 2700 cm inverse is the highest energy region, that is hydrogen region. It is generally seen that the absorption due to OH, NH and CH bond stretches occur here. They are very high in energy because hydrogen is a light atom. The position of the bond depends on the bond strength, which increases in the order of OH is greater than NH is greater than CH. 2300 to 2000 cm inverse is the triple bond region. Carbon nitrogen and carbon carbon triple bond stretches occur here. These are the strongest bonds, so they occur at higher wave number than double and single bonds. 1900 to 1500 cm inverse is double bond region. Absorption due to carbon oxygen, carbon nitrogen and carbon carbon double bond stretches occur here. 1500 to 500 cm inverse is the single bond region. Stretches of single bonds absorption due to bend also occur in this region. This region is the fingerprint region. To extract structural information from infrared spectra, you must be familiar with the frequencies at which various functional groups absorb. The absorption information is presented in the form of a chart called a correlation chart, which provide much information about where the various functional groups absorb. You just try to memorize a typical absorption values. Now we are understanding how to approach the analysis of a spectrum. When analyzing the spectrum of an unknown, concentrate your first efforts on determining the presence or absence of a few major functional groups. The C double bond O, OH, NH, CO, C double bond C, C triple bond C, C triple bond N and NO2 peaks are the most prominent and give immediate structural information if they are present. These are the base values for absorptions of bonds. Do not try to make a detailed analysis of the CH absorptions near 3000 cm inverse. Almost all compounds have these absorptions. Do not worry about detail of the exact environment in which the functional group is found. Following is a major checklist of the important gross features. First one, is a carbonyl group present? The C double bond O, that is carbonyl group, gives rise to a strong absorption in the region 1820 to 1660 cm inverse. The peak is often the strongest in the spectrum and of medium width. You cannot miss it. Second, if C double bond O, that is carbonyl group, is present, check the following types. If it is absent, then go to the third step. First one, carboxylic acids, that is COOH functional groups. Is OH also present? Broad absorption near 3400 to 2400 cm inverse usually overlaps CH. Second, amides, that is CONH2 functional group. Is NH also present? Medium absorption near 3400 cm inverse, sometime a double peak with equivalent halves. Third, ester, that is C double bond O, OR functional group. Is CO also present? Strong intensity absorptions near 1300 to 1000 cm inverse. Fourth one, anhydride, 2C double bond O absorptions near 1810 and 1760 cm inverse. Fifth one, aldehyde, that is CHO functional group. Is aldehyde CH present? Two peak absorptions near 2850 and 2750 cm inverse on the right side of the aliphatic CH absorptions. Sixth one, ketone, that is C double bond O functional group. The preceding 5 choices have been eliminated, then ketone is present. If carbonyl group is absent, check the following types. OH in alcohols and phenols. Check for OH, broad absorption near 3400 to 3300 cm inverse. Confirm this by finding CO near 1300 to 1000 cm inverse. Amines, that is NH2 functional group. Check for NH medium absorption near 3400 cm inverse. Ethers, check for CO near 1300 to 1000 cm inverse and absence of OH near 3400 cm inverse. Fourth one, double bond and or aromatic rings. Carbon-carbon double bond is a weak absorption near 1650 cm inverse. Medium to strong absorptions near the region 1600 to 1450 cm inverse. This often implies an aromatic ring. Confirm the double bond or aromatic ring by consulting the CH region. Aromatic and phenyl CH occur to the left of 3000 cm inverse, whereas aliphatic CH occurs to the right of this value. Fifth one, triple bonds. Carbon triple bond nitrogen is a medium, sharp absorption near 2250 cm inverse. Carbon triple bond carbon is a weak, sharp absorption near 2150 cm inverse. Check also for acetylenic CH near 3300 cm inverse. 6 1, nitro groups. Two strong absorptions at 1600 to 1530 cm inverse and 1390 to 1300 cm inverse. Seventh one, hydrocarbons. None of the preceding is found. Major absorptions are in the CH region near 3000 cm inverse. Very simple spectrum. The only other absorptions appear near 1460 and 1375 cm inverse. The beginning student should resist the idea of trying to assign or interpret every peak in the spectrum. Concentrate first on learning these major peaks and recognizing their presence or absence. These are some references. Thank you for watching.